Jumping straight into the tutorial, I'm using my Plouise base in shade 2 to prime my eyelids. I'm also using it to carve out my brows. It's so full coverage that it will cover any stray hair that you have. Now just buffing it out to get that smooth finish. I'm now using the shade Mood in the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival palette. And this is going to be the darkest colour I'm using in this look, so that's what I like to start off with first. As you can see, I'm creating a rounded out shape. Next, I'm using the shade Sky, and this is going to be to blend out the edges of the darker blue I just applied. As you can see, I'm still retaining the shape of where I applied the original eyeshadow. Back in with my Plouise base, I'm just carving out the cut crease. I'm using a very flat brush for this, as it will make it more precise. Once I've done that, I just pat out the base just to dry it up a bit. And now I'm using my MAC pigment in Teal Reflex, and I'm just packing that on, making sure not to go over the concealer that I've applied. Next up, I'm using my favourite liquid eyeliner by NYX, and this is the matte black liquid liner. For my base, I'm using the Tarte maracuja oil. This will help hydrate and give that glowy finish. And as you can see, I've already applied my lashes. These are Hey Babe lashes in the style Hey Babe XO. Now for foundation, I'm using my Tarte Face Tape foundation. This is my new Holy Grail foundation. It lasts so long and the finish is just really nice. Also forgot to mention that it's extremely full coverage. I always use a buffer brush to apply my foundation. I just think it gives a more full coverage finish rather than a beauty blender. Now I'm using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up concealer, just putting that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, nose and chin. To set that, I'm going in with the RCMA No Colour powder, and I'm just lightly putting that on my face. I don't like to bake because it gives that kind of powdery finish. To bronze, I'm using my Hoola Caramel Bronzer by Bperfect Cosmetics. This is my new favourite bronzer. It's so easy to blend and the colour is just really nice and natural. To highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guirerro Glow Kit as always. And to finish up, I'm lining my lips with the Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. Now I'm just applying my Peaches Makeup lip gloss in Bambi. I also use the Morphe lip liner to fill in my lips. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and there will be more to come.